Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Resin Beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you best ideas, beautiful ideas about resin pen, resin coaster, resin jewelry, beautiful ideas about color combination, very easy to make. I am using golden flags in epoxy resin and some fruit stickers, white mica powder, I am making it for one of my students. She likes it very much. I hope you will also like it. Very useful hobby, easy to make. I hope you will also enjoy. Mix the sticker and golden flags carefully. Beautiful ideas. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.